So, this buffet server is taking quite a while. It took me longer than I expected. But in this video today, we're gonna go ahead and get the 3 boxes built and assembled. Check it out. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to be making the plywood inserts for the leg assemblies, and they are all 27¼ inches tall. So we're going to rip that on this plywood. Now that we have that cut, we're going to go ahead and cut the width from this board and go ahead and start getting the leg assemblies fully completed. So that way we can start on the back and the face frames. We're going to cut 2 panels at 16 5/16 and 2 panels at 19¼ inches. Let's do it. Alright, now that we got that, we're going to go ahead and pocket hole screw those into the frames. Alright guys, so what we've done here is we put together our face frame for the center section, and all we did was pocket hole the corners and glue them together. You can see it here. Pocket hole the corners, and we screwed it together. So what we're going to do is, before we start assembling, we're going to go ahead and make the face frames for each section of the buffet server. And then once they're all done, we'll go ahead and screw them into the leg assemblies, and we'll just keep working our way through this project. I know it's taken a long time. Alright guys, so the face frames are put together. We're ready for assembly. So we're going to go ahead and assemble the bottoms of the cabinet, of the middle section, and the face frame. Here we go. So guys, I don't know if you can see it behind me, but we went ahead and got the face frame put on. It's looking sharp. We only have 2 more to do after this. I say only, we're only a third of the way done. But anyway, we're getting close. See, I don't know if you can see it. So far, that's what it's gonna look like. There'll be a door here and a door here, and they'll open up like that. But it's looking nice. I like the taper on the legs, it's good. Looking nice. Alright guys, so we finally got the other 2 boxes built, and we got it fully, well, we got the 2 boxes and the centerpiece put together. We still don't have the backs or the tops or doors or anything like that on, but we're gonna cut it off we're gonna cut the video off here. Let me know what you think. Look at that. It's so big that I can't even get a video of it. Guys, thank you for watching. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, hit the bell to the right of the subscribe button so that you know every time I post a new video. That's it for this week's video. And do me a favor, hit that like button while you're at it. So, like always, thanks for hanging out with us, guys.